we'll be discussing another application of integration, no, in terms of finding the volumes of revolution, no, from the calculation or the evaluation of the areas between curves and between lines, no. Ato siyang i-calculate ang volume, no, when the plane areas are revolve into a certain axis, no. So mo na siya atong i-discuss karon. So with this, no, as learning outcomes, you'll be able to apply the integration knowledge in solving the application of physical calculation or application on volumes of revolutions, no. So for this topic, we will be discussing these three methods in finding the volumes, no. We have cylindrical disk method. We have also cylindrical shell method, and lastly the ring method. For the cylindrical disk method, so this is the figure as well as the formulas. So ako na lang gi-present diretso para di na maghago-hago, no? So from the given plane area, no? For example, we have this kind of line, or it could be a curve, no? This one. And we are using for this example, horizontal strip, no? As it revolved into the y-axis ang atong horizontal strip. So meaning, ang atong horizontal strip is ni-touch gyud sa ato ang axis of revolution, no? And when that happens, when we revolve the plane area, no, mo ni siya ma-create, no? Mura siya og disk. Okay? Basta ang atong plane area ni touch gyud sa axis of revolution, disk ang iyahang ma-create, no? So mo na siya ato ang gitawag nga cylindrical disk method. And since this is a horizontal strip, no, this one, mo na siya formula, the volume is equal to integration of pi x squared ang atong strip, no, dy. Okay? Of course, ang atong limit is sa dy from 0 to this portion. Okay? Kung ang ato ang gamiton is a vertical strip, no? Vertical strip. Okay, vertical strip nahiwiag yun. Okay? For example, this is a vertical strip. Kamo na adjust y dx, no? Makagamit lang ta og disk method kung ang ato ang revolution is on x-axis. Okay? X-axis. Atong i-mind per me kung cylindrical disk method, ang ato ang strip must be perpendicular and touching to the axis of the revolution. So mo na yung vertical strip, ang atong gamiton will be the volume is equal to integration of pi y squared dx. Okay? Nasabtan ang point na sa cylindrical disk method.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So, tanda. Note, use this method when the axis of revolution is one of the area boundary. Okay, so meaning area boundary, no? And the strip is perpendicular to the axis of revolution. So, madahong ganina. Okay? Basta ang area mo touch sa ato ang axis of revolution, you can use the cylindrical disk method. For the cylindrical shell method, no? This one. Cylindrical shell. From the given plane areas, no, and then nasa space, no, between sa axis of revolution for this example. Okay, for this example, nasa space, no, gikan ngadto sa atong axis of revolution. When we try to revolve that plane area, morning ma-create na to, no? And atong remember per me, ang atong vertical strip, no, for this example is parallel to the axis of revolution, no? So kung ato na siyang i-revolve, na siya bangag sa tunga, mo nang gitawag siya og shell method. Okay? So kung mo gamit pud ta sa figure og horizontal strip, no, horizontal strip, Okay? This will become x dy, no? So makagamit lang ta og shell method kung ang atong axis of revolution is on x-axis, no? Parallel sa axis of revolution ng ato ang strip, no? So for vertical, we have the volume is equal to the integration of 2 pi x, no? 2 pi x y dx, no? Ang y dx mo na atong gigamit sa pagkuha sa area, no? And ang x is the distance from the axis of revolution. The same with the horizontal strip. The volume is equal to the integration of 2 pi y. Ang y nato, mo man siya, mo man ang distance, no? Ang distance sa axis of revolution and then pagkuha sa plane area nga x dy. So mao nay gamit sa shell method, no? Use this method when the strip is parallel to the axis of revolution. Either the axis of revolution is part of the area, boundary, or not. Okay? So, pwede po siya gamiton kung ang atong example is kini, no? Basta parallel ang ato ang axis of revolution. Okay. Now we will come to the ring or donut method, no? Donut. Ano siya? Ma-apply nato ang ring or donut method kung ang ato ang vertical strip or ang atong strip is perpendicular to the axis of revolution, no? And napo siya distance from the axis of the revolution. Okay? So, ring method ang atong gamiton when we try to revolve that one, no? Naga po siya bangag sa tunga. In that case lang is that ang ato ang strip na gigamit is perpendicular. Ang sa shell is parallel. Ang sa donut or sa ring is perpendicular. So, when that happens, for the formula for the vertical strip, we have the volume is equal to integration of pi, no? Multiplied by the r squared man yung mga r squared man siya basically. Kining y sub 2 squared, no? This one is square minus sa y sub 1 square, no? For the vertical strip. For the horizontal, no? Kung horizontal and the axis of revolution is naa sa y, no? Of course naatay dinhi x sub 1 naapod tay x sub 2 sa second na curve. Okay? So, kung ring method, i-square nato ang kada distances sa curve. No? So, integration of pi multiplied by x sub 2 squared minus x sub 1 squared dy. No? Depende sa klase sa ato ang strip nga gamiton. Okay? Basta ang atong tigamnan sa ring method, perpendicular siya sa axis of revolution, no? And then naa siya space because kung perpendicular and then wala space ngadto sa axis of revolution, musod na siya sa desk method, no? So, wala na siya bangag. So, mogamit lang kita sa ring method kung naibangag and perpendicular. Kung shell, naibangag and parallel to the axis of revolution, no? So, with that, let's have an example. Nadali ra kayo ni siya. Okay? The problem is given the area in the first quadrant bounded by the curve x squared equals 8y and the line y minus 2 equals 0 and the y-axis, no? So what is the volume generated when the area is revolved about the line y minus 2 equals 0? And of course, no, to properly visualize kung unsay porma sa ato ang volume or sa atong pagplot sa given curves and lines. So ato na siyang i-properly graph, no? And this one, no? So dinhi nato makita we give values, no, for x axis to get the values of y for the curve x squared equals 8y, no? And with that, nakuha ni natong blue curve. Mo ni ato ang curve nga x squared equals 8y. And of course, we have the line y minus 2 equals 0. So, klaro kaayo ni nga that is a horizontal line, no? Passing through the y-axis. So, mao ni siya. Okay? And, of course, the y-axis. So, meaning, ang area nga ikuha is kini. Between kini siya dinhi kini. And, ang atong kuhaon is ang volume kung mo revolve siya dinhi sa y-axis, no? So unsa nga kung atong gamiton method? Anyone? Unsa nga method ang atong gamiton? The strip that we are be using for this example is a vertical strip which is parallel to the axis of revolution. Sakto? Sakto ba? Hilo man kaayo eh. Oh no, sorry. The axis of revolution is on the line. Okay, so line di ay. So meaning, ang atong revolution is on the line y equals kini. Dinhi na Okay. So this is perpendicular to the axis of revolution. So ang gamiton is insuman.
Y squared.
Ang gamiton is the disk method, no? Ang disk perpendicular man and the axis of the revolution is part of the bounded area, no? So one ang na formula, we have pi y squared dx, no? Sa formula ganina, and since dx ang ato ang naa, so ang ato ang limit will be from 0 to 4. Of course, we need to get the intersection of the curve and also the line, no? Ato na siya ang kuan kung asa siya mag-intersect, no? Nakuha? Klaro ra anong nani ang intersection is nasa 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, from the formula, we have y squared, no? Of course, ang ato ang y is mo man ang vertical strip, okay? Y and then dx, okay? Of course, makuha na to ang y when we minus the y sub 2 minus y sub 1, which is gikan sa line and sa curve na distance, no? From the given plane area na to, mo na ang y is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So, kini y sub 2 ni siya and then y sub 1. Okay? Nang makuha sa kuan. Okay, and that ang y atong ilisan sa equation, no? Ang atong y sub 2 represented by the line mo nang naay 2 dinhi. And then of course, ang ato ang curve ang y sub 1, no? In a function of x. Okay, dx man ang atong i-integrate, no? So dapat atong ang ato ang curve is in the function of x. That is why kini na x squared over 8 siya. And that's the time atoan na siya ang i-integrate, no? Atong i-expand din nato oneng nahimo nga ingon ani. Okay? Then evaluate the integration. One, substitute the limit. Wala na nato gyapil ang 0 because that is automatic 0. And you get the volume for that problem. Question. Wala pa. Sandra, no? Ngita ka tag lisod-lisod. Volumes. How about this one?
So, 5 years younger na ako. Sige, ako na ibutang sa akong situation. Grade 2nd year ko. 2nd, 1st, grade 12, grade 11, grade 10. Na grade 10 mag-kiss ni grade. Ate, pagkukpakakan. Sabi kay, wala akong kabalo niya, be. Huwag siya nagselos. Magkabalo ba? Huwag siya nagselos. Kasi niya na kay wala dyan. Dapat mag-mention ako sa putasan na lalaki. Ganto rin siya na lain iya na. Dili pa dyan kayo nakabantay na sa lalaki. Siya pa dyan. Nukla po dyan ko kakita. Yung pagbata. Nalingaw na lang ko. Sige. Pagpangatog lagi kayo. Ito na mag-init sa pangatog na ito. Ikapoy mo nito ha. Ikapoy. Wala ay. Gatubon po siya. Sabi niya na siya na ako gabi. Itong gabi ipa dyan. Before like itong Tuesday. Nga na siya. Matog na ko sa'yo. Kaya basig nagmapila ko. Nilautan ako niya gabi. Alas usa baka na ito gabi. Alas 2. Kubulok siya. May nag-ingon-ingon ako na matog daw ko sa'yo. Tapos karon siya na nagipilaw. Pero mas mahal na ay kasi sa paulit mo niya discussion. Di ba kayo? Nakamata ko 5. Nandugay na kayo kung katubugwal.
Okay. So, the area bounded by the parabola y squared equals -2 quantity x minus 2 and x is equal to 0 is revolved the line x is equal to 4. So we need to find the volume generated on that problem. So with this, we need to plot first the curve nga y squared is equal to -2 quantity x minus 2. So we need to plot that one. So of course we need to set values for values of x to get the values of y. Okay, when x is 0, we have values of positive or negative 2. Okay, for y.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so of course when x is 2, ilang y?
Positive and negative. Positive or negative root of 8.
Ha?
Oh, di 0 guys, 0.
0. Okay. So with that, madrawing na nato ang curve. Okay. Let's straight tagit lagi. We have 0, we have 1 as well as 2. We have 1 and 2. We have 1 and 2. Ato siya extend din here because we have 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Negative 1, negative 2. 1 and 2. So ningon siya, maagi siya sa 2, ari sa 2, and negative 2. So ari ni agi ang ato ang curve. Okay. So na din he. Okay. And natay line din he. Straight lagi.
Basta tong ka AJ ba mas okay.
Di ko kapangitag roller reda.
Si Ayan diri at least kay
Yeah, so kuha na lang ha. Antusin na lang ninyo ang kahiwi sa curves o line. We have x is equal to 4.
4.
So ang area bounded by x is equal to 0. So dinhi, no, x. When x is equal to 0, meaning vertical, di ba?
Yang kuan pud ang mga
So kini ang ato ang line nga x is equal to 0. Therefore, ang gipangita nga area is kini, no? Both igbaw and upper, sakto? Sakto dili.
Ito, sir.
Okay? So, ana siya atong pangitaon ang volume generated when we revolve the area at x is equal to 4. So, are siya i-revolve. So, na space, no? So, in this example, we will be using the donut method, no? So, we will be using the horizontal strip, no? Horizontal strip. So, this is our x and dy. Okay? Of course, kini nga distance, no? Natay x. And from y-axis, padong ari sa line, this is our 4, sakto? Okay, x is equal to 4 man. So therefore, gikan aning curve, padong dinhi, this is 4 minus x. So,
Yes, sir.
so therefore, for the volume, that is equal to dy. So, itong dy na to,
Ano?
we have pi so at I think nindot ni tan-awon o magamit tag laing variable since circular man ang ma-create, pwede ta mo gamit og r squared, no? R squared dy. And kung kini lang atong kuhaon nga area, no? Para mo multiply ta og 2 na lang. Since that is symmetrical. Para ang ato ang dy, ang limit is from 0 to 2. Okay? Okay, pi. Of course, ang atong r is unsa man? 4 minus, so ang atong r is 4 squared, mamunang tibok r, di ba? Okay? Minus an ani. Okay, kinira mo ng volume ang atong ipangita, no? Kinaman din he. So minus 4 minus x squared dy. Nakuha ni?
Yes, sir.
Ang uban, kiniman nga area ang atong i-revolve. That is why we have 4 squared minus sun sa distance nga 4 minus x. Nga atong i-squared, no? When we revolve. Ang 4, kung ato na siyang i-revolve sa kini, of course, ang atong makreate is tibuok. Di ba? Tibuok. Kung mao ni ang atong x is equal to 4, no, atong revolve diha ang 4, mo ning tibuok ang iyang mahimo. So para makuha ni nato pag revolve, ato sa ning i-revolve ang 4 minus x, no? Para na siya bangag, no? Na siya bangag diha. So ang kini siya mo ni siya ang ato ang gi-revolve na x, no? Nakuha ang senaryo? Okay, sige. So, nanakaani, you can now proceed on the integration process. No? So, this is 2 pi. We have 0 to 2. We have 16. No? we have 16 minus
8x
8x plus x squared dy. Okay? So, ang ending, 2 pi, 0 to 2, we have, makancel ang 16. So, mabili na lang, positive 8x minus x squared dy. So, mo na lang nabilin. To? Pero napatay ko ang. No? And remember, r squared ni, di ba? R squared. No? R squared man eh. Oh, nilangan. I think nakasayo. Wait sa admit. Okay, nakasayo guys. Sorry ha. Delete na to usa-usahon pag may ano. Okay. So, delete na to ni siya r squared. It's ako sa verify. Okay, 8x squared, okay. Kay kini. So napa ni siya x squared din he. Tibuok. No? Gi-squared pa ni siya. No? Because
Okay,
kini is equal siya sa kini. No? Napa ni squared din he. Squared. Kay gigamit man ta og ring method, no? So kini nga katibuk-an that is equal sa kini nga to ang gikuha. Isa ha. Sorry. Hindi ma-erase. Okay, so sakto na siya. And as we know, the equation for the curve is kini given by this equation. So ato ning i-substitute array sa ato ang integration process in the function of y. So that is y squared is equal to negative 2x positive 4, meaning 2x is equal to 4 minus y squared. Therefore, ang atong x value is equal to 2 minus y squared over 2. Okay? So with that, mo ni atong i-substitute din his equation. That is equivalent to 2 pi 0 to 2. We have 8 2 minus y squared over 2 minus 2 minus y squared over 2 squared dy. Okay? So, wala na siya. And simplify. We have 2y 0 to 2. Kini, this is 16 minus 4y squared. Okay? This one, extend. We have 4. Negative 4. We have 2y. Positive 2y squared
Squared.
minus y to the 4th over 4 dy. So simplify 2 over 5, 0 to 2. We have
12.
16
12.
negative 4. That is Pilaman.
12.
12, sir.
12.
Minus 2y squared.
We have 12. We have this one. Pilaman eh.
Minus 2y squared, sir.
Minus 2y squared. And this one.
Minus y over 4.
Minus y over 4 dy. Okay? So, nanatana. Okay, y to the 4th. Okay? And then, we can now proceed to the integration process. No?
Yes, sir.
Sige. So, when we integrate that one, help me to remember, that is 2 pi. We have 0 to 2. Plato 12 minus
2y squared, sir.
2y squared
Minus y over 4 over 4.
y over 4 over 4
Derivative
dy.
over.
Sakto na?
Yes, sir.
So, by integration, that is equivalent to 12y minus
2y cubed over 3.
2y cubed over 3. We have y to the 5th over 20. 0 to 2. Sakto na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Substitute.
Wait sa ha, na ako i-confirm. Okay. So with that, substitute the limits. We have 2 pi. We have 12 times 2 minus 2 raised to 2 raised to 3. We have also 2 raised to 5 over 20. So how much this? 24. We have 8.
16 over 3.
16 over 3. We have, ilan man eh?
64 over 20. Oh,
64
16. 32 tayo, sir. 32 over 20.
over 20. Simplify. How much is the volume? Pila mo na? When nag-calcu?
Gihuwang calculator.
So, giwang ba?
107.23, sir.
Sure na na?
Dili, 512 over 15 pi, sir.
107.23.
Ako mo eh.
It's nga Ano lang na kayo mga Daniel lang 512 over 15 pi.
Para i-convert ko dito.
24. Ako katong imo namo ko imo i-convert
Decimal na to, sir.
256 times 2. 512 over 15 pi. Okay? So you can use a decimal or in radians. Cubic units or in units. Wala may ikuan. Cubic units. Okay? So that is the equivalent volume. So, gikan dito sa equation, no? Patong i-visualize ang pag-minus sa ato ang i-revolve para makuha na to ang specific area nga i-revolve. Sige, let's have another example. We have wala yung problem there. Standby hindi ito tag problem nga. Kuan. Okay, how about this one? Find the area. Okay. So find the area bounded by the y-axis, the line y equals 1, and the arc of the y equals sine x between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi over 2, and revolve about the line y equals 1. No? So find the volume generated. Find the area bounded. Okay, so we need to find the volume generated. So again, we need to plot the given curves, no? So kung natay x and y, okay, y and x. So niana siya, we have line y is equal to 1. Okay, and when x is equal to pi over 2, no, ang atong y sa ato ang equation will be equal to 1, no? Sine pi over 2 is equal to 1, so that's the time, that's, and when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 also. Therefore, ang ato ang curve is look like this, no? Ito one. This is our curve y is equal to sine x. So we need to find the area, the volume here, no? Kini, when this area will revolve at y is equal to 1, no? So in this case, the most suitable method to be used is using a vertical strip, no? Vertical strip. So this is our y dx, no? Of course, makuha ni nato ang y, no? When atong i-minus ang y sub 2 minus y sub 1, wherein ang atong y sub 1 is represented by the curve sin x, and ang atong y sub 2 is represented by the line. Okay? So, from the given volume, which is equal to pi integration of y squared dx. Okay? And ang atong y is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1, which is 1 minus sine x. No? Therefore, the volume is equal to pi 1 minus sine x squared dx. And since this dx from 0 to 1, okay? 0 to 1. 1. Oh no, sorry. Dili 0 to 1. X man day. So 0 to pi over 2. Nakuha ang correction nga ng pi over 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Paningog pud mo oy pi over 2. Okay? So expand the given integral. We have 1 minus 2
Sin
sine
x
x
plus sin
plus
x.
sine x squared x dx. Okay? So this is equal to pi 0 to pi over 2. We have dx minus 2 pi 0 to pi over 2 sine x dx plus pi 0 to pi over 2 sine squared x dx. So evaluate the given integrals sa katong reading nga integrate. Okay? We have this one pi x, no? From 0 to pi over 2. This one, that is negative cosine, no? So negative,
Sir.
positive. Pi over 2, 0. Okay? We have also this one. Pwede ba na ito diretso ma-integrate? Dili.
Dili pa, sir.
Ha?
1 plus cosine.
Pwede mo na dun sa 1/2 x, sir, minus, lagi minus, 1/4.
1/2 x minus
1/4 sine 2x.
1/4
Sine 2x.
sine 2x pi over 2, 0. May naman day kaya mo day. So this is equal to, pila man pi multiplied by pi over 2 plus 2 pi. We have cosine pi over 2 minus cosine 0. We have also pi 1/2 times pi over 2 minus 1/4 sine we have sine 2 times pi over 2. Okay? Di na lang ito i-substitute ang 0 kaya automatic man siya ma-0 din eh. No? So this is equal to pi squared over 2. This one, pila equivalent ano eh?
Minus 2 pi, sir.
Minus 2 pi, yes, because cosine pi over 2 equals to 0. And cosine 0 is equal to 1. Okay?
1.
This one plus pi squared over 4. And this one, ilan man eh? 0.
0, sir.
0, no?
Yes, sir. 0.
Therefore, please calculate pila ni. We can use decimal or pwede na po dili.
.12, sir.
Pi squared over 4 plus sila?
Approximately 1.12, sir.
Approximately 1.1 cubic units. Of course, you can use radians, no? This could also be equal to pi over 4 3 pi minus 8. Sakto ba? Akong i-verify yes. Pwede pod kining answer. Okay? Nakuha?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, klaro ra.
Yes, sir.
So, again, no? You need to practice solving para masanay mo sa mga problems or unsa pay laing method nga pwede magamit. Any questions?
No,
So far,
sir.
sir.
None? Okay. So kung none, that would be all for today. Thank you for attending the class.
You will be
Ha? Sa'yo, 11:26 na. 11:06 naman.
11 pa lang, sir.
Saan? Example pataglain?
okay na, sir.
Ha?
Kami na mag-party, sir.
Sige, yung karapod. Na, ako pa na-send ng video din na.
Sensor kay para
Guys,
guys.
sir.
Yes, lang.
Yan.
Hello, sir.
Salamat, sir.
Sige,
Thank you, sir.
start na lang po ng PowerPoint. So, magkapahuway na good mo.
Dili pa, sir. May project, sir.
Project sa
Sir.
Iira mo, sir.
sa iinin nyo. Normal na good na. PDF. Sige, so wala na may laing questions, violent reactions.
Wala na, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, kung wala na, you're free to go. Thank you for attending the class today.
Thank you, advice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.